Okay, let's talk about some display options that you may not be aware of. When you go to the display client area, and let's say we go inside of terminal services, and I'm going to double click on calc real quick, bring up the display client wizard, and I'm going to click the next button down here at the bottom so we can go to the second page. And here we find the display client options. Now there's 6 total options that are here. I'm going to focus on the bottom 3 here. Which are the connection options. Now, why am I going to focus on these? Because this could be actually something that you could use to help free up some resources. The first one here is that's by default always checked, is always maintain a connection. Now, the reason why you might want to uncheck that is because it would allow a background session to disconnect. The session could be configured to either be reset or freeing the user account, application license, bandwidth, server resources, whatever may be the need for why you would want to uncheck that. But it's going to help you with your resources. Same thing going with the connect at boot up. If you uncheck that, it's going to actually wait to initialize the program until it's selected in the drop-down menu under the Connect at Boot Up. The third thing we're looking to look at here real quick is the disconnect in background. Now the reason this is important is because once again it will basically allow the background session to disconnect. Once again, helping out with your resources. You're going to be able to free up the user account, application license, bandwidth, whatever you might have in those kind of things. Once again, the default settings typically are going to be to have the box here always maintain a connection and connect at boot up. Those are 2 that are typically checked by default. Why you might want to change from those default settings is going to be if you want to lower the demand on the terminal servers by allowing those sessions to be closed until needed.
For more tips and gems, please visit ThinManager.com.